Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a small little grocery haul for you. I grocery shop at Cub Foods, and it's just my local grocery store. I usually go to Aldi, but today I just decided to go to Cub Foods because it has everything there that I need, so I can just do everything all in one trip. I was pressed on time today, so let's get into this grocery haul, okay? And I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, we're gonna get into this grocery haul. All right, so where should we start, guys? Let's start over here. I got 2 jugs of grease, some milk, orange juice, chocolate milk. All right, over here I got 2 loaves of bread. I got these. My daughter loves these sparkling ice drinks, so I got some in a couple different flavors for her for school. I grabbed this, what is this? Applewood garlic and herb turkey breast. Looks so good. It's like, oh, I think I'll try that. Also got some pecan smoked brown sugar ham. Oh my God. Got a couple Lunchables for the kiddos for school. I grabbed some bottled waters. Grabbed a couple of these Gatorades for my son, because he's a high schooler. Over here, I grabbed some of these Jell-O packs, you know, for lunches and whatnot. I grabbed me some Kit Kats, some M&Ms, and some Starburst Minis. Over here for movie night, I grabbed some butter popcorn. I got the ranch spices, the white cheddar. Oh my God, that's so good. And then the popcorn salt. Over here, I got some salami, some cheese, probably to make some sandwiches with. I got 4 of these Pringles, honey mustard, cheddar sour cream, and 2 originals. I grabbed some buns. I like to make little sandwiches. Grabbed a pack of cookies. I also grabbed some bagels, cream cheese, sour cream. These are like some gravy dip. So good when I make steak. Oh my gosh. I grabbed a big jar of peanut butter. Grabbed some jelly to make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Grabbed some pineapple juice, because I like to mix it with my alcoholic drinks. And as far as the cheese, I got some pepper jack and 2 things of shredded cheese. So I like to put them on my eggs, and I like to make tacos with them. Got a big thing of butter. As far as chips, got some Flamin' Hots, Cool Ranch, Lay's, Flamin' Hot Funyuns, and some regular Doritos. What we got for chips. Then we're gonna go down here. I grabbed some sweet and sour sauce. Oh my gosh. Buffalo wing sauce. I grabbed some lemon pepper. A couple more things of butter, a big barbecue sauce, some rice-a-roni, the beef kind. Also grab a couple things of bacon, just hickory bacon. It looks so good. Grab me some hash browns, some brown and serve sausages, some little smokies, some beef ones. I'll probably put that with the barbecue and put it in a crock pot. I got some tortilla chips, and then some cheese, and then salsa. I grabbed a pack of these butterfly shrimp. I don't even eat seafood, but this looks really good, don't it? I'm gonna deep fry them. The kids might enjoy it as well. I grabbed 3 packs of these little thin T-bone steaks. Like 13. It's kind of expensive, but sometimes I like to make steak and eggs for breakfast. and stuff like that, or just a light little dinner. So instead of using those super big, huge T-bones, I thought they were a pretty good deal. Also grabbed lots of chicken wings. I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I grabbed 6 packs of chicken wings. So I'm thinking about doing some chicken wings tonight. And how much were these? These were like $11.80, like $12 a pack. Not expensive. And then I do have my wing sauce that I'm gonna eat it with. And that's about it for this grocery haul, guys. All right. So now I didn't clean my refrigerator out. As you can see, this is what the fridge is looking like now. I somewhat cleaned it out, organized it, wiped it down a little bit. Now we're gonna add in some more food, and that's it. All right, guys, so overall this haul cost me a total of $409. $409. Expensive, right? Yes, but that's not bad. It's not too bad. So if you guys would like to send me anything, I do have a P.O Box in the description below. If you want me to try any of your product, or if you want to send any goodies to me and my family, anything you want me to advertise on my vlog channel, make sure to hit my P.O Box. Also my Cash App as well. You know, stuff ain't easy. It's not cheap, you know. All right, so that's that. That's how much it cost me. Yes. Anyway, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be cleaning out my refrigerator. Woo, this is fun. This is so fun. I'm gonna be cleaning out my refrigerator, then I'm gonna be restocking it with new groceries. All right. Fridge is a mess right now, so we're going to take everything out and clean it. All right.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you win.
Grocery shopping. We're gonna do a grocery haul. So let's dump this away.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me. Faking your life
From the Dollar Tree. So I think I'm just gonna put some like my lemons in there. You know.
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worried about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life.
Make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, all right? Hope you enjoyed this short little grocery haul video, and I'll see you on the next vlog, all right? Bye.